Hello everyone, welcome. Ingredients for Ramadan Pita: 1 kilogram flour, bread flour, 750 grams of cold water, 20 grams of fresh yeast, 15 grams of granulated sugar, 15 grams of salt, 1 bowl of cornmeal and 1 bowl of wheat flour, 1 egg yolk to rub on, a separate sauce made with 1 glass of water and flour, sesame and black seed. Flour, water and sugar are used at first. Add the flour on the marble countertop and open the middle to create a pool. Add sugar and water. Start mixing 3 ingredients. There will be a dough sticking to your hand. Strike the dough on the marble worktop to stretch it and fold it. You can do this for 10 minutes. Collect the dough and add salt and continue kneading using the same method. Add fresh yeast last and continue kneading using the same method. Kneading is finished for Ramadan Pita. Now cover the dough and wait 20 minutes. After half an hour, divide the dough into 4 equal parts. Each piece will weigh an average of 400 grams. Roll and compact the dough, add flour to the counter and let the dough stand for 1 hour or 2 hours. Add a cloth and a plastic bag over the dough. Sauce is made to spread on pita bread. 1 spoon of flour for this. Mix with some cold water. Add boiling water and mix. If not smooth, strain through a wire strainer. Separate the egg yolk. Add some water and mix so that the egg yolk does not burn. A stone was added to the bottom of the oven and the pitas will be baked here. You can bake in a normal baking tray. Since the stone was a little thick, I opened the lower part of the oven half an hour ago and waited for it to heat up. Dough this way after 1.5 hours. There are 4 doughs. I will use one of them to make pita with tahini. 1 spoon of poppy butter. 2 spoons of tahini. Some granulated sugar. Black cumin and 1 spoon of butter. Use flour bran or cornmeal so that it does not stick to the bottom of the pitas. Two pieces of Ramadan pita made to fit in the oven. Egg yolk will be spread on these 2 Ramadan pitas, flour sauce will be added on the other pita. After shaping, the oven is stretched on the shovel and expanded a little more. You can make it an ellipse or round shape. Sesame and black seed are added on it. Nigella is my choice, only sesame is used. It is noticed that it gets a little smaller while cooking, actually it should be a little wider. Ramadan pitas at an oven temperature of 250 degrees in 7-8 minutes. The tahini pita dough is rolled wide with a rolling pin. the mixture is added and spread on the dough. After rolled up, squeeze it by hand and wrap it spirally.
Lan, sessiz ol.
Roll it round with a rolling pin, it will open easier if you wait 2 minutes. For sahur, bake Ramadan pita with tahini in the oven for 10 minutes. Ramadan pita for iftar was kept in the oven for a little too crispy. Tahini and poppy seed pita for sahur. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.